Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. New performance arts center aimed at reviving Montego Bay's theatre culture. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett has announced that his ministry will soon receive preliminary designs for the construction of a performing arts center in Montego Bay. The tourism minister announced the initiative during the media launch for the local staging of the musical Jesus Christ Superstar held recently at the Hard Rock Cafe in Montego Bay.
I'm excited about bringing together a facility with a capacity for over 1,000 seating, but with accommodation for a number of side developments as we prepare for production and for training in the theatrical arts, so that we can not only be good on the stage, but we can be great producers and we can provide the light and the sounds and the props and all that is required to create an excellent world-class production of any kind of theatrical offering in here in Montego Bay.
He said that the establishment aims to legitimize Montego Bay's city status and provide an opportunity for young performers to showcase their talent.
It enhances the tourism product also. It not only is an important part of building civility in our city, because there is no city that can operate fully and be truly regarded as a city without a performing arts theatre. And so we're making that happen in Montego Bay. It will offer an opportunity for our young artists and our young performers to have a venue, an arena for the expression and indeed for the showcasing of their artistic talent.
The development of the new Performing Arts Center, which will have a 1,000-seat capacity, would be Montego Bay's largest theatre since the Fairfield Theatre was constructed back in 1975. Epicon and Exodus joined forces to intensify the carnival season. Premier Ganja brand Epicon and Carnival brand Exodus kickstarted the high-energy carnival season this week with the first event dubbed Envious. Hosted at Epicon Lounge at the Marketplace, the event kickstarted Exodus's 2019 campaign as it brings revelers together for a one-of-a-kind party event. Marketing coordinator at Epicon, Brianna Knight, outlined why Epicon opted to partner with Exodus this season.
So Epicon decided to partner with Exodus this season because we wanted to elevate the energy and amplify revelers' experience this carnival season. So revelers can expect a super premium experience on the road. We're going to be a part of Envy, which is Exodus super premium section, and we're going to have an AC truck for revelers, and a giveaway is going to be happening. Big artist announcements taking place, so don't miss out, and we can't wait to see you on the road.
Director of Exodus Kamal Banki is confident that the collaboration will enhance the carnival experience in Jamaica.
Epicon has partnered with Exodus, a groundbreaking partnership to bring that energy, vibration, and atmosphere to the road during Carnival.
That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.